Hey, what's going on, y'all? Thank you for joining me on my daily vlog. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm doing my online thing with the food stuff, right? Y'all already know that. And I got contacted by a company called Voracious Market, right? They were like, hey, we love what you're doing. We love that you're going out there. You're like a foodie. I am a foodie. And we want to send you a care package. And so that's what they did. Not only that, right? Not only did they send me a care package of all these like delicious Cambodian sauces, and by the way, they're located in Seattle, Washington. It's a small business owner. She's Cambodian as well. So she sent me all these Cambodian sauces, right? You have Thuk Prahok, you have papaya salad sauce. I'm mainly going to be trying the Thuk Prahok today because I did make steak. This right here is a spicy chili garlic sauce. Chili oil, love me some chili oil. This right here is sweet and spicy Prahok dip. And not only that though, y'all, not only that, right? Because she's seen that, I've been going crazy with the spicy stuff, right? Like y'all see me do the spicy ramen challenge. And I go ahead and I eat the spicy ramen. Then I also make it even spicier by adding habanero, adding Thai chili pepper, right? So shout out to Lena, she's the owner. And I was like telling Lena, Lena, why don't you make something really spicy for me to eat? Why don't you make my own line of beef jerky with my own type of spice, right? So that's exactly what she did. So as you can see, can y'all see that? Right? Voracious jerky, JL special extra spicy. That's how I like it. So I cannot wait to try that. And for what I've been told, I told her to make it really spicy. So let's see if it's really spicy. And I have a really high tolerance for spice. So if it's not spicy enough, I have more Thai chili pepper. Alright? So right now I got my steak here, I got my tomatoes, cucumbers, and I'm gonna go ahead and pour the sauce in here. Got my rice too. There you go. Can y'all see that, man? I'm trying to make it work right now. I am really trying to make it work. Whew. I am hot, I'm sweating. And thank God for the good weather, right? And not only that, I'm mad thirsty right now. Alright, so let's do that. I'm actually going to try the beef jerky first. The JL special. Make sure you go to Voracious Market and try you some of this. Nice and fresh. We'll go ahead and open it up. Let's do the smell test, right? Yo, check this out too. My wife is Dominican, right? I didn't have regular white rice, but Dominicans make their own white rice. It has like peas and carrots in there, but they season it different too. That smells really good. That smells delicious. Oh yeah, look at that. Sorry for the lighting, y'all. This has like sesame seed in here. That's crazy too, like Cambodians, like we love beef jerky and rice. It's just what it is. American people, they eat beef jerky as a snack, but for us it's a whole meal. Okay. There's spice to it. The flavor itself is banging. Yo, Lena, great job on the flavor. It's sweet. It's tender. Okay. It's kicking up a little bit more. That's really good. This right here though, I would totally eat this with rice multiple days of the week. Only thing I'm missing is some chua. But I got some cucumber. This shit right here is banging. It's delicious. Ooh, this rice is hot. Yo, Alina, you did your thing with the flavor. I challenge everyone to try my JL Special Extra Spicy. I'm challenging you Make sure you order Voracious. Make sure you order the JL Special Extra Spicy. I'm gonna see if you can handle it. I'm gonna eat some more of this. That is so delicious. I got the fire pit to my left. I got the barbecue pit to my right. We living a good life. Here's the moment of truth, y'all. The Thuk Prahok. Yeah, that beef jerky is spicy. I like it. That's funky. About funky, I mean that smells so good. Just gonna pour this in here and then we'll eat it with the steak. Ooh, ooh. My bad, my bad. Put that right back in there. Let me close that back up. Here it is, y'all. Got the Thuk Prahok. Got the steak right here. Got my veggies too. Let's try this out first. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Mm. My flavor palette is bursting right now. That Thuk Prahok is everything. Mm. Let's do that again with the big piece. See? Put that in there. I'm gonna do it this too. With the greens, right? And fold that up. My God, this is so good, y'all. Y'all go ahead and order all the sauces, y'all. Order the beef jerky too. We're gonna scoop that up. Mmm. Mmm. Let's get some more of this beef jerky. Let's do this again. That sauce is something special. Voracious Market, you have won my heart. Let's do that again. Gotta get the greens in there, you heard? They doing fireworks right now or something? Can y'all hear the fireworks? Apologize for the lighting. Well, I'm like so blown away by the sauces. Well, actually, just with the Prahok sauce first. The other sauces I'm gonna have to try with something else. I'm gonna have to buy like chicken wings to try with the fish sauce. And you know what? I'm gonna try the chili oil. Where's the chili oil at? Nope. Let's try the chili oil out. Ooh. Damn, Lena, you made all this stuff too? Let's pour the, let's do it like this. Excuse me. Man, I'm getting bit up by the mosquitoes out here, y'all. Damn. Chili oil got some kick to it. And it got flavor. Let's take another bite of that jerky too. I'm in Cambodian sauce heaven. You heard? I'm getting bit. I'm in Cambodian sauce heaven. Let's do this again. It's got the steak. Got my greens. Just wrap it like this. Yo, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you order Voracious Market. Use my JL Jupiter code to get 5% off your order. And let me know if it's hot or not. To me, it's tolerable. But for you, you might can't handle it. So I challenge all y'all to try the JL Jupiter Spicy Special. Only available at Voracious Market, y'all. All right. I'm out of here. Peace.